For over 30 years, I've worked to restore the lives of those affected by serious personal injuries. In addition to many years of trial experience, I understand the emotional needs of my clients as well as their financial needs. I've represented families of people whose loved ones were killed on motorcycles because someone just simply pulled out of a road in front of them without realizing they were there. And it's tragic, but many people don't get killed and they get serious injuries that are with them the rest of their lives. And that's why I'm really very sensitive about motorcycle accidents, because the capability of getting injured badly is so great. Now, because motorcyclists are in much greater danger for serious injuries than the average motorist, it's even more important for them to have my app as well, so that they can be taken care of. They can have the information that's necessary to prove their case. Because they're prejudiced against motorcycle riders, it's even more important for them to have this app that enables them to preserve all of the evidence necessary to protect them in the event of a lawsuit or an accident. And on top of that, it's more important for them to come see me to look at their motorcycle insurance coverage to make sure it's adequate. Everybody knows that as a motorcycle rider, you can buy insurance protection for yourself. Many motorcycle riders do not have adequate insurance protection. Motorcycle riders, probably more than anybody else, should have a very good medical payments coverage, so that it will pay for their medical bills in the event they get injured, and they should also have very high limits of uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage because of the chance of catastrophic injuries. And again, it only costs a few dollars a year more to get a very large policy than it does to get a basic $15,000 per person policy. You could get $500,000 in coverage probably for another $20 to $30 every 6 months, but most people don't know that. And their agents don't tell them that either. I've had some friends who are very skillful riders who nevertheless were badly injured because of the total negligence of other drivers. It's especially true as automobile drivers get older. They have less and less ability to see objects in their visual field. As I recall from research, a person in their prime can track 8 to 10 moving objects in their visual field at any given time. But if someone gets to be 60, 70, or 80 years old, it might get down to 1 or 2. And if there's 2 cars there and a motorcycle, they may see the 2 cars, but the motorcycle simply doesn't exist for them, and they'll run right into it. Even if the motorcycle rider looks them right in the eye and thinks they have eye contact, they really don't. The person just is facing that direction but doesn't see them. Also, some people think, hey, tough luck if you're a motorcycle rider, you took your chances. But that's not true. They have the same right to the road as anyone in an automobile. I will work fearlessly to get you the financial compensation that you deserve and to help put your life back on track.
Experience integrity results. Visit jdzinc.com.